Hi students, good morning. I am Riya. Today on behalf of Jasmines English Medium School, I am teaching you the subject English of Standard 8, Poem 1, The Ant and the Cricket. Okay, now let's start. A fable is a story often with animals as the characters that conveys the moral. Okay, what is the meaning of fable? Fable means moral story contained with animals, contained with characters of animals. Okay, this poem is about an ant and a cricket contains an idea of far-reaching significance, which is the true or of a four-legged cricket as of a two-legged one. Okay, now what this means? I am giving you an example. Two category students are there. Okay, before. Now you know after 2 months your exams is coming, and first category students will say, "I will learn tomorrow. I will learn tomorrow." Now the exam has come. Now what will he do? He can't do anything. He can't learn full syllabus. And the second one that knows my exams is coming, so he started learning from today. He completes his syllabus. Now he only want to revise it on the exam time of exam. So what did you understand from this? That means you have to plan. You have to learn about your plan and learn about your future. Okay. Now means four-legged cricket means four-legged insect means cricket, and two-legged ones means human beings. They are talking about human beings also. As two. Surely you have seen a cricket has two legs. Means surely you have seen a cricket means human beings. Okay, now let's start the poem. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Means a silly young cricket. Silly means na samajh cricket. Okay. Accustomed to sing means he had habit to sing or used to singing. He was singing daily, and in the summer he was singing, enjoying, and the ant was उसका खाना इकट्ठा कर रही थी एंड और उसने ठंडी के लिए अपना खाना जमा करके रख दिया और क्रिकेट में कुछ भी नहीं किया था. Through the warm sunny months means like your exam has completed now and you feel now I will not learn for 1 month or 1-2 days. So how you feel? Like feel. Okay, like that. Begin to complain means वो complain करने लगता है कि he didn't found anything at home in his cupboard. So his cupboard was empty. He has not any type of food to eat. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Not a crumb to be found. Crumb means you have seen breadcrumbs. If breadcrumb he will found, so he can eat it, right? But he don't found anything. On the snow-covered ground, the ground is fully covered with snow. Not a flower could he see. Not a flower on a tree, so he could make a home for him, for himself. Not a leaf, or not a leaf on a tree, because it was winter and snow also. Oh, what will become, says the cricket. Means, अब क्या होगा? What will I do? I can't do anything now. At last, by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant to see if, to keep him alive, he would grant. At last, by starvation, by hungerness. Starvation means hungerness. Means वो भूखा था at last में, and famine means scarcity of food. He has nothing, scarcity of food, right? Away he set to a miserly ant. Miserly ant means कंजूस. Okay? कंजूस ant to see if. वो देखना चाहता था कि वो उसको अलाइव रखने के लिए वो ग्रांट करेगी. Now, आगे. Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow. He would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Him shelter from rain means उसको बारिश से बचाने के लिए shelter देगी और a mouthful of grain. Something to eat. He wished only to borrow and he will repay it tomorrow. He is saying, I will borrow it and I will give it away. I will give it to you again tomorrow. If not, a Gandhi, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Means he must die from hungerness and tension. Says the ant to the cricket. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Means cricket ant बोलती है cricket को I am your servant. I am ready to for your service and I am your friend also. But we ants never borrow and lend. Means हम कभी उधार देते नहीं है, ना ही उधार लेते हैं. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Could the cricket not? Means, tell me, dear cricket, the end is saying, tell me, cricket. Did you lay nothing? Did you save nothing? Lay nothing means save nothing, okay? By when the weather was warm? Means आपने summer season में कुछ भी save नहीं किया आपने लिए? Could means save. The cricket said, no. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Means my heart was so light. Okay, I said it. Then your exams are finished. You have 1 month to not to learn anything, not to read anything. So you will get a light. Means no tension, light. Okay, that I sang day and night. In the summer season, the cricket sings day and night. Means वो पूरा दिन पूरी रात गाने ही गाता था. For all nature looked gay. Means nature was very nice. He liked summer season best. You sang, sir, you say. The ant says, you sang only. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. The ant says, go then. In the winter you will dance. डांस ही करो विंटर में. समर में आपने गाना गाया तो समर में आपने विंटर के लिए खाना भी नहीं जमा किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया. सो अभी विंटर में डांस कर लो. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Fox called this a fable. I warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. Thus ending, in the ending, very fastly lifted the wicket. Means ant ने cricket को घर से बाहर निकाल दिया. Thus out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Means ant ने उसको बाहर ही निकाल दिया and door close कर दिया. Fox call this a fable. Means audience call this a fable. I will warrant it true. The poet says I will warrant it true. Means मेरी नजर से ये true है. Some crickets have 4 legs. 4 legs means insect. It's talking about the insects, and some have 2.